If you've ever thought it's too late to start, too late to save, too late to invest, too late to build wealth, think again. Welcome to Wealth Creators Hub, where it's never too late to take control of your money, create wealth, and find financial peace. I've seen countless people who started late but discovered the right strategies can change everything. With over 30 years of experience as a chartered accountant and as a mom and professional, I know what it's like to juggle real life responsibilities and still dream of financial freedom. Here, you'll discover practical strategies and clear guidance to make money, create sustainable wealth, and ultimately live in the freedom and peace you deserve. And remember, wealth looks different for everyone. For some, it's paying off debt and finally breathing easy. For others, it's saving for children's education, retiring with dignity, giving generously, or living debt free with peace of mind. Your wealth is your journey, and here you'll find the tools and encouragement to build it your way. And here's our foundation, Deuteronomy 8:18. It is God who gives us the power to get wealth. Money isn't just numbers, it's stewardship, purpose, and a tool for peace. Ready to transform your financial journey? Subscribe to Wealth Creators Hub and let's walk this path together. From making money to creating wealth to living in freedom and peace.